Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara and you are learning ECS Elastic Container Service. In the previous video, we have launched our first task successfully in the ECS and we are able to open website as well. Right now, this web application is open. But do you know that in the production, we are always creating service instead of task? Why we are creating service and what are the advantages of service? I'm going to explain you everything in this video. So let's start. Here I have mind map and using this mind map, I'm going to explain you service first. So introduction to service. When you run a task, ECS simply starts the container and does nothing after that. You know what I can say? Task is a kind of manual process. For example, if the task crashes, ECS will not restart it. You have to relaunch the task. So this is your responsibility. If you want to increase number of tasks, you want to create multiple copies of tasks, you have to do it manually as well. But in case of service, we have all these facilities automatic. Now, let's understand service first. We can say that service is kind of controller for the task. So, service is responsible to run the task when we are going to set up service. So, here we have first advantage, automatically restart the task if it fails. If you look at over here, if you have only task, if the task crashes, ECS will not restart it. You have to manually relaunch the task. Here we have this facility, service will automatically restart my task. Okay. Along with this, we have so many benefits as well. Maintain desired number of tasks. Once you will inform ECS, look, I want my 3 tasks must be running at all the time. So it is going to run these 3 tasks always. If any of your tasks will fail, it will create new task and you will get 3 tasks at all the time. So what we can say that it is actually going to provide us high availability. Support auto scaling. You know, we already discussed about auto scaling during our ECS days. Now you can use all the features of auto scaling along with the service. So you have to set up service if you want to auto scale your task. Support load balancer integration. We also understood load balancer during our EC2 days. We have mainly 2 types of load balancer. One application load balancer and another one we have is a network load balancer. So we can also set up load balancer if we are going to set up service. If we are going to set up task, we cannot integrate load balancer. And finally, what we can say that good for long running app and microservices. You know, if you want to test your application functionality, if you want to run your application once, then it is good idea to set up using task. But if you want production environment, you want to run your application for high availability, you want to integrate load balancer, you want to take advantage of auto scaling, it is always good idea to set up service. Now, in simple word, what I can say.
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying 499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages, videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.